Company Pile was founded by Mr. Stjepan Pavliša in 1993. The company is located only 40 kilometers away from Zagreb. Pile is committed to reducing environmental burdens by implementing activities in accordance with the International Management Standards ISO 9001, ISO 40001, OHSAS 18001. Pile's equipment is installed on steel structures such as the various pipelines, tanks, platforms for oil and gas, offshore structures, and ships. In order to recognize the activities of the company, we draw attention to corrosion on described steel structures. Corrosion of the buried or submerged parts of the steel structure is multiple times faster than the corrosion of steel structures in the air. Corrosion is the cause of hazards such as loss of precious water, fires and blasts, collapse of buildings, environmental pollution, and loss of human lives. Those are the questions of national interest and problems for designers, contractors, and owners of such constructions. So corrosion protection is a special area of activity of various institutions. Especially in the field of corrosion protection, Pile has its core business, construction of cathodic protection systems. For the purposes of the design and construction of cathodic protection systems, Pile has teams of engineers, own development, research, and innovation. The company products can be divided in the following basic groups: transformer rectifier units of different power and control modes, reference electrodes, stationary and portable, measuring probes for direct current and alternating current, sacrificial and inert anodes made of different materials for soil and sea installation, electrical components for protection from overvoltage and compensation devices, polarization cells, equipment according to ATX directive, electric cabinets, plastic and metal cabinets, test posts, the device for measuring and recording data, various control unit, equipment for remote monitoring and control systems, PC softwares and SCADA systems. Pile has programs for diagnosing the condition and maintenance of cathodic protection systems. In those programs, Pile uses special equipment and methods based on large experience and knowledge of electrical engineers and specialists for cathodic protection. Pile's engineers and technicians possess the skills and have the necessary certificates to operate in Croatia and internationally. Engineers participate in the work of many scientific conferences. They are members of the technical societies and committees for standardization in Croatia and internationally, Croatian Standards Institute, and internationally at the American Society of NACE, and members of the European Federation of Experts for Corrosion Protection. In the research area, Pile Company has collaboration with the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Naval Architecture, Faculty of Chemical Engineering and Technology, and many others. There is a long-term cooperation with many other companies based on quality of service and equipment that Pile supplies. Let's be together in the process of corrosion protection, as this contributes to the security of environment for present and future generations of people. Thank you for watching our presentation, and best regards from the company Pile and Croatia.